Express Road here at HIGHBRIDGE GRA. You have about Hard School just opposite this estate. I'm about to introduce to you one of the finest in the market. Now let me take you inside so that you see what exactly I am talking about. Come with me. Properties along the Express Road are constantly in high demand because of its great advantages, ranging from being easily accessible to having great resale value and being suitable for you, your family and your investment. Now the property I'm about to show you is situated conveniently at HIGHBRIDGE GRA. In an environment that is safe and highly developed. Welcome to the property of the day, the Hampton Court Estate. The Hampton Court Estate is a 10-minute drive to the HIGHBRIDGE roundabout, a walking distance to the famous Lekki Ekpe Expressway, and shares close proximity with all the amazing developments going on in this environment, like the Green Springs Schools, the Caleb International British School, the Novara Shopping Mall, the Dufasi Nature Park, Hat Montessori School, Hawking the Millennium Town, and so many others. Now, the Hampton Court offers 2 and 3-bedroom terrace duplexes with a BQ and has the finest title CFO, ranging from structural materials, finishing materials, and utility services. All these are part of top-notch quality as we consider you and your safety in mind whenever we embark in any projects. Now, having taken you around this beautiful and astounding estate, the pricing is going to beat your imagination. Pay just 37 million naira for our 2-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ and 40 million naira for our 3-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ. And with an initial deposit of 5 million naira, you go to Dubai just like that. Just pay a deposit of 5 million naira, spread the balance payments within a period of 6 months to 12 months. Dubai is all yours. Give us a call right now, reach out to us. Using modern aesthetics and remarkable amenities, we are taking smart living to the next level.